I'm Mary Evelyn McKee, and I am the interior designer for the Flower Showhouse for 2021 in historic Briarfield, Alabama. Let me show you around. I'm standing in the center of the great room in the dining area with this extraordinary table, the Freya table from Hickory Chair, and the Carly chairs from Century by Thomas O'Brien, and the Mainland Wicker host chairs, also by Thomas O'Brien. The table is just spectacularly set from replacements with the Jin china, really beautifully done, all in the farmhouse setting, showing the sense of place and colors of the farm, the prairie, the woodland. It all ties in so beautifully. The chandelier is by Curry & Company. On the table are miniature Bevelot lanterns, which have candles in each one of them, which are wonderful for indoors or outdoors entertaining. They're extremely safe if you're using real candles. The moss green glassware is by Denby, and the bamboo flatware is by Tiffany & Company, which all together makes up a beautiful table.